I was at the zoo chilling, eating my overpriced pretzel, when I noticed one monkey staring at me like I owed him rent. Not blinking, not moving. Just full eye contact. Then, the monkey slowly pointed at me like, "You." Before I could process anything, it launched itself off the branch like a furry missile. It landed on my chest, screeched in my face like a demonic smoke alarm, and then chomp! It bit me on the arm. I didn't even scream like a normal human. I made a noise only dolphins understand. The monkey then hopped off, waddled back to the cage, and gave me the slowest, creepiest wink ever like, "Yeah, I'll be back." I swear that monkey had human-level beef with me. Like and subscribe before that monkey sneaks into your room tonight, and comment "bite" for protection.